So Kyle, your push rods aren't supposed to look like that? So you pulled this thing out last week. I mean, what's the plan with it now?
It's a new motor. Yeah.
Is this thing trash?
The lifter seized in there. The roller portion of, you're not going to see it. The roller portion of the lifter broke off. It wiped that globe of the cam, bent that push rod, and destroyed the trunnion in that rocker, which is why I found the needle bearings in the oil, and broke the lifter tray. The lash cap was off of the intake lifter, which is the intake valve, which is the one the rocker was messed up on. So big chain of events.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I mean, it just sent pieces of the lifter all throughout the block.
So that can be repaired at a machine shop?
As long as there's nothing structurally wrong with the block, get the lifter out, turn it out. Probably get new cam bearings in there and stuff like that. So I don't know what we're doing with it. I don't know what's going on. But
Got any idea where this thing's heading off to?
yeah, it's out the machine shop.
Oh, okay. Cool. What all did this engine get refreshed on it? Just pistons?
Yeah, so probably bearings, pistons.
What are you doing to this engine here?
What all am I doing to it?
Yeah.
Putting it back together.
Did you put our cam in it or anything? Or
Now put your cam in it.
thanks. We'll probably
So it
make
makes
more power.
no power. It's your fault. Of course we put our cam in it. What are you doing? It's getting our stage 4 with a clutch and valve covers.
Nice.
So yeah, good build going on here. Good build.
That's great.
Got the engine back today. Hopefully have the engine in here today.
What, get some Texas feed pistons and stuff?
No, I went to a local machine shop.
Oh, okay.
We got bearings all over, pistons, balance rotating assembly, all that good stuff. Just a basic rebuild.
You know, I'm sure this guy can't wait to get back to mobbing in the streets.
Yeah, this thing is going to be straight mobbing.
Yep. It's gonna be mobbing. I don't know what mobbing means.
Really?
No, I do not.
Oh, you are white. You never heard like steady mobbing?
I mean, I've heard the saying, but I don't know what mobbing means.
Really?
You do any street racing in your 5th gen? Yeah, throwing money in the pot?
Depends who's watching this video. Only in Mexico.
2 guesses to guess what the bracket's for?
Yeah.
Alternator?
No. You see where the alternator goes in these things.
That's right, it goes up in the corner and it kind of hangs off the head.
Certainly does.
The oil pump?
Bro. What?
The water pump?
What?
Did you mill those heads yourself?
I sure did. I'm so glad you asked.
Eric, you okay down there?
I'm doing great, buddy.
He's upset.
He's upset. Would you look at that? It's the new slave.
Would you just look at it?
That monster slave in there.
Monster slave, huh?
Yeah.
Monster slave. It's actually a Chevy slave, but
Well, pretty sure it's part of the monster assembly. The monster clutch.
it's also just a stock C601.
No, is it really?
There. Yeah. You can see the difference. How much? Look at like the collar. That's right there. That one doesn't have it.
I see.
I see.
You're just such a nice guy, Kyle. You know, you just clean everyone's parts off for them before you put them back on, make them look nice.
Well, you know, it's the extra efforts what we do around here.
And then they call you Cartman in the comments.
Yeah, only that one dude did. So I'd be surprised if he has this. If I worked on his car. But he'd get the same service. I'll tell you that right now.
He would?
He would get the same service. Well, I'm professional.
This is a good camera angle right here.
So it is.
Got this thing good now? Engine is in.
A few of these bolts tightened all the way so I can put it on its mounts. Let me come here and screw this bowl jack up. Other way.
It's looking like it's going to be possible.
I'm just looking at where I'm going to cut it.
They're angled pretty weird, aren't they?
It should be doing. They are angled weird, but we should be able to make it fit. We should be able to. Right.
Fit right in there now?
Yep.
Nice.
The other side.
Nice new set of red K-Tech valve covers.
Yep, they are red.
They are red. They are in fact red.
The color of this pen is blue. You know what that's from?
No.
Educate yourself. You know who Jim Carrey is?
Yeah.
Go look up Liar Liar.
No, I haven't seen that movie.
You gotta watch it. It's funny as shit. But there's a scene with him and a pen. It's very funny. If anyone watching a scene that they know what it's talking about, you should put the clip over the video. The color of this pen
that I hold in my hand
is royal blue. It's so funny.
It sounds funny.
It certainly is.
Nice. What'd they get wrong?
I got a half unsweetened tea, half lemonade, and they fucking just put fucking motherfucking unsweetened tea in here. I hate unsweetened tea.
Span, you and Eric finished wrapping up that exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good bit of work.
It's fun. So much fun, I don't want to do it again.
Which car is it? Oh, this is mobbing.
Yeah, finally got that intake.
Nice.
At 4 o'clock on Friday, or Wednesday. But that thing came in Wednesday morning, so I was doing that. Thing's getting a Garrett special.
Oh, really?
Boost district LSA kit.
Oh, nice.
Check the speed cam.
Nice. That's exactly what my car has.
I know. So yeah, just gonna do the valve covers on this thing, and then it will be ready to go.
Nice. That's cool how the coil packs just slide right onto that rail.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. What?
So I didn't see that you already had the insert in.
Yeah, I did.
From the other side.
Yeah.
Stay mobbing is ready for the dyno, and we'll see what kind of power it makes. with this straight pipe exhaust. It is obnoxiously loud. But we'll see what it does.
All right, this is, I don't know what year, I think an 06. It's an 06 Z06. Came here, I think blown up from Texas, Pecos, Texas. I don't know where that is, but that's where it came from. Came here blown up, and we pulled the motor, did pistons, rod bolts, main studs, etc., etc. We did the bottom end. Then it got our full stage 4 package, so head scan package, Monster T1S clutch, valve covers, 2-inch headers, Haltech, etc., etc. The whole shebang. So this thing should be pretty rowdy. It also has straight pipes on it, and it is, I mean, when I say it's fucking stupid loud, I don't even know if the microphone on the camera is going to be able to like hear it, because I think it's just going to turn off. It is ridiculous loud. Straight pipes. Yeah. God, this thing is loud. 613, 531. Tune was pretty close, actually. Air fuel was pretty good. Can you throw this out? Never mind. It was left-handed sideways throw, so that just needed a little more distance. The accuracy was not bad. Went into reduced engine power. I wonder if fucking too much voltage still on this dumbass new throttle bodies. Yeah, it's in reduced engine power still for some reason, even after I flashed it. It's all pedal position codes. It's a new one. Left and right rear turn signal. It must have like LED bulbs or something in it. I'll clear the codes, let's see. Yeah, something's fucked up with this thing. As soon as I touch the gas, it goes into reduced engine power. Alright, I guess Kyle didn't plug in the throttle body like all the way. Or like, I don't know if the clip or something's broke on the harness or whatever, but whatever. So I was kind of just sitting there, and now we're good to go. .623, 538. This thing's fucking stupid loud. 624. Snap-on guy's asking. .628, 539. Pretty good. Man, I hate straight pipes. When I was like 18, it was cool. But I'm old, bro. It's not cool anymore. Alright. Do one more pull and then I'll let it cool down. 541, 541. I'll let it cool down. I'm gonna let my fucking ears do the same. I'll be back. All right, a little bit of a cool down, like 35 minutes. Now we're ready to go. Same exact power, 2 more foot-pounds of torque. Pretty stout. That's it for this thing. It's loud as fuck, but it should be fun. If he's racing somebody, he's gonna win just because they're just gonna let off because it's deafening loud. Okay, bye.